Hi guys, this is Willie's Compound, and today I'm going to show you this. This is the protocol flashlight and multi-tool, so I'm going to show it to you today. So first, let's try the light feature. Alexa, turn off Willie's room.
Okay.
So you see right here, it's pretty good beam, and there's a red version. Yeah. There's a red blinking one. So yeah, Alexa, turn on Willie's room.
A few things share that name. Which one did you want?
Willie's room. So
Okay.
then you have right here on this side is a saw. And then after that, there's a smaller saw. See, for finer cuts, I guess. And then there's a Phillips head right here. And then there's scissors. And I'll cut something for you. Let me find a random piece of paper. Usually I have a small piece of paper. I know. Yeah, let's use this here. So yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah. Yeah. And on the other side, there's a mini knife. It's not really sharp, you know, right here. It's not really sharp. I'll sharpen it later. And then there's two wrench sockets on a flat head. And there's a nail thing. I like it because it's pretty sharp. Fine. And then final one is this. It's a can opener and bottle opener and two. So yeah, that's the review of the protocol multi-tool / flashlight. Hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe. And comment, please. Thank you.